Hello everyone. In this lab experiment, we are going to look at ultrasonic sensor. So the aim of this experiment is to calculate the distance of the object using ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor, this is the ultrasonic sensor. It works on sound waves. So if you have already seen object detection using IR infrared sensor, it works on infrared waves. And this ultrasonic sensor works on sound waves. And when you compare the IR sensor, mm, which is this is the IR sensor. This is used to detect whether object is there or not. This will not give the distance, but this ultrasonic sensor will be able to give the distance also. How far the object is from the ultrasonic sensor. So typically this ultrasonic sensor can be used in smart parking system. And then the components required, node MCU, you can see here, this is the node MCU, the ultrasonic sensor. So this is the ultrasonic sensor. So this is how it looks. We have 4 pins on the ultrasonic sensor. So this pin is voltage 3.3 volts. So this is the trigger pin, this is echo pin, and last one is ground pin. So here you have two cylinder kind of things, or something that looks like sound boxes. This one of them is used for emitting sound waves, and another one is used for receiving the reflection of the sound waves. Okay, so you can think of one is transmitter, another one is receiver for sound waves. And we need breadboard and some jumper wires. So this is the diagram. So let me connect this. Sorry, we don't need any LEDs. So this is from the previous experiment. We need only ultrasonic sensor. So I am connecting the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, it is inserted. So at the back you can see 4 pins. So first one is ground. I am giving this to ground, and second pin is echo. So you can see in the diagram, echo pin is connected to D7, and the third pin is trigger pin. As per the diagram, trigger pin, the blue wire is connected to D6, and the last pin is 3.3 volts. So the last one is 3.3 volts. That's all. The connections are very simple, just 4 wires. And I am keeping the breadboard like this so that I can move my hand like this and measure the distance. So before going to look at the program, let's see the working of ultrasonic sensor. So this is how ultrasonic sensor looks. This one, and it has 4 pins. Voltage, you can give 5 volts or you can give 3.3 volts also, it will work. And one is trigger, which is used to generate sound, I mean sound waves using the electric signals. And echo pin will receive the reflected sound, and third one is ground. So you can see one cylinder is a transmitter, another one is a receiver. So the transmitter generates sound waves. When it hits the object, it is reflected back and received by the receiving cylinder. Okay, and distance is this. Okay, so in the program we will get the time, but the time is the entire duration it goes from transmitter to object and reaches the receiver. So the distance is half of this time. So in the formula we are going to use, we will divide the time by 2, and this is the reason why we will divide the time by 2. Okay, so this is the program. uh, Trigger pin is connected to D6, this yellow wire, and echo pin is connected to D7, which is the green wire, and we are taking a variable for duration, the time, and another variable for calculating the distance. And in the setup function, we are making trigger pin as output, as it is going to generate sound signals using the electrical signals, and we are making the echo pin as input because it acts as a receiver. And then we are initializing the serial port, serial monitor, and then in the loop function we are going to use the first step is clearing the trigger pin. So we are using the digital write function to clear the trigger pin. We are making it low and we are waiting for 2 microseconds. This is not milliseconds, this is microseconds. And then the next step is setting the trigger pin to high and wait for 10 microseconds. And we are doing it with this line. We are making it high, waiting for 10 microseconds, and then again making it low. So what does this code do is send some sound signals, sound waves, sorry. And then next step is to turn on the echo pin high and get the duration. How long did it take for sound to touch the object and come back? And it is done using the predefined function pulseIn, which takes two parameters, the echo pin and the high value. And finally the duration will be stored in this variable, and the distance formula is time into speed divided by 2. So this is the speed of sound, speed of sound. So you can go to Google and search for speed of sound. You will get 343 meters per second, and it is converted, this meters is converted into centimeters, and that's why we got this 0.034. Okay, so finally we are displaying the distance of the object from the ultrasonic sensor. So that's it about the program. Let's see the same thing in Arduino. So here is the same program that you have just seen. uh, Let me give the power to Node MCU. Okay, and I am uploading the program. So this ultrasonic sensor can measure the range from 2 centimeters to 400 centimeters. So the program is still compiling. Okay, compilation is over. Now the program is being written. So you can see the LED here. Once the program is uploaded, we can see the distance values in the serial monitor. Okay, I am opening the serial monitor in the top right hand corner. So you can see the distance, it's displaying 108. So I am bringing my hand. Now you can see distance is 16 centimeters. I am moving the hand closer. So you can see the distance is decreasing. Okay, 2 centimeters. Now I am moving my hand away. Okay. So right now my hand is at 25 to 24 centimeters away from the ultrasonic sensor. Okay, I am again bringing my hand closer. So right now it is saying my hand is 2 to 3 centimeters away from the sensor. So it's 3 centimeters. Okay, now it's saying it is 6 centimeters. So this is how ultrasonic sensor works. Okay, so it is able to give the distance of the object also. So that's it, and thank you.